In the last video, we discussed about the best way to wash your beard, or as I should say, what is the most efficient way to wash your beard. In this video, we are going to talk about how to style your beard, or as I should say, what to do after you wash your beard. We are going to talk about products, procedures, preparations, and most of all, why we are doing all of these things. So everything is coming up just after this short intro. Welcome everyone, this is Ayush Kumar from Caredbeards and I hope everyone is in good health. So before we start this video, I want to tell you that this beard routine series is not about a product tutorial. It's also not a video covering all the aspects of a single product. It's a series about a basic routine which I follow, the products I use, the preparations I do, the procedures, and most of all, why I do all these things and how I do all these things, the reason behind them, so that you can take out pros and cons from my routine, modify them according to your routine, according to your beard, decide what is good for you, what is not, so that you can get the best result out of everything. So we are going to start this part 2 video exactly where we left our part 1, and that is you washed your beard, it's perfectly clean and it is soaking wet. Just pick up your towel and do not try to rub your beard roughly, otherwise you will damage your beard, as when your beard is wet it is very vulnerable to damage. So just dab your beard gently like this. Very gently, dab it everywhere. Dry out your beard gently by dabbing it continuously till it becomes damp and not remains wet. After you've towel dried your beard, you can go and dress up and give a little bit more time to your beard to dry up. So now you've dressed up and you are ready to style your beard. But before you start styling your beard, you have to make sure that your beard is completely dry, because we do not want to damage our beard. So make sure by moving your hand thoroughly in your beard, make sure it's all dried up, and if it's still wet, you can use a blow dryer. But while using a blow dryer, you have to keep one thing in mind, that this nozzle is removable because of one thing. Generally people throw this nozzle away, but while blow drying your beard, when you want to dry it, make sure you are using it without nozzle and make sure you are using in cool setting. So when you are using the blow dryer to dry up your beard, just use it without nozzle on cool setting and just move it like this in the direction where you want to keep your beard, like this, and underneath you can hold your beard and dry up like this. Do not do this action, it's not going to do anything, it's just a fun thing, and just move it in the direction where you want to keep your beard and it will be dried up quickly. So after you've dried up your beard, it's time to style your beard. So before we start putting products into our beard, just think about one thing. You were washing your beard, you were rinsing your beard, you were drying your beard, you were dabbing your beard. In all this process, your beard becomes tangled, and especially when you have a curly beard like mine. And that tangled beard makes it very hard to style your beard, to put products and to comb. It makes it hard and you put lot of strain to your beard strand. So before putting products into your beard, make sure you detangle your beard. You can use a white tooth comb or a bristle brush or a white bristle brush, anything you want to detangle your beard. Just detangle it roughly. You don't have to give it a proper shape. Now you've detangled your beard has become easy to work with. Now it's time to give the basic shape you want to achieve. And for that we are going to use blow drying. Blow drying your beard to give a basic shape is something which I generally try to avoid. It's like when I'm not going out anywhere, I'm staying at home, I try to avoid this thing, because no matter what anyone says, no matter if you are using it the most perfect way, heating your beard causes damage. Even if the damage is minimum, it still is a damage. So other than that, for this part, you will have to use this blow dryer. See, when we use for drying our beard, we use our blow dryer without a nozzle, because we wanted to dry a beard. Now we want to style our beard, we want to give a basic shape. So to give a basic shape, we need a nozzle, so that the heat, whatever is coming out of this blow dryer, will be concentrated in one part, so that it will be easy to style up your beard. Otherwise it will go throughout your beard and it will become very hard to style your beard. So just put up your nozzle, and you can use your any regular beard comb like this, or even, as I like, even a boar bristle brush. Put your blow dryer on moderate heat or low heat. Some people prefer fast speed, but I prefer medium speed. And move your boar bristle brush or comb, whatever you are using, in the direction where you want your beard to stay, like this. I want my beard to go all the way down and the beard which is here to move forward. So here I'll do like this, and in the front I'll do like this. Just make sure you are not doing like holding your blow dryer in one place and moving your brush or comb like this. Your blow dryer have to move with the comb or the boar bristle brush you are using. It has to move along. And the second thing you should remember while using a blow dryer for shaping your beard is that you have to make it quick, because it's heating up your beard, it's causing regular damage. So you have to be fast, you have to make it really quick. Other thing that you should remember while detangling your beard or even shaping your beard is that when you are using a comb and when you are combing your beard, you should not start it from here, because when you will start it from here, you will get stuck on the hair. Then you will try to pull it down and cause damage to your beard. You should always start at the down part, at the lowest part of the beard. Start by detangling this beard, by combing this beard, and slowly move upward, because when you are working in the lowest part of your beard, you have a minimum area to work with, so it's easier to work with. And as you move up, you know the beard which is below your comb is already detangled, it's already combed, so it will be much easier to work with. So you've dried your beard, you've detangled it, you have given a basic shape through blow drying. Now it's time to put products into your beard. When it comes to beard products, I personally use 3 types of beard products: beard oil, beard balm, and mustache wax. And I don't like any harmful chemical based products, so I use these products from Caredbeards. They are pure natural, they are free from harmful chemicals. It's not like I use all of these products together at one time and cover my beard whole with these products and create a layer on my beard of products. It's not like that. See, when I'm at home, I'm not going out anywhere, I don't mind if my beard is having some flyaways, if some part of beard is moving in this direction or this direction. I don't mind that, because I'm at home, nobody is watching me. So at that time, I generally use only my beard oil. And in my case, the length I have, I personally use just over 10 drops. You don't need that much. Some people think with this beard you need a lot, but you don't need a lot. The basic sign that shows that you are using more than what you need is when you are using a beard oil and you've covered all your beard and still you have lot of in your hand. That means you are using more than enough. I just take a small amount of beard oil in my hand and just over 10 drops and just rub it thoroughly into my hand, and I start from the lower end of my beard. See, this part of my beard is the oldest part of my beard. It took the most amount of damage, so it needs most care. So I start from the bottom part of my beard and I go slowly upwards, rub into my skin and cover my mustache, and I go from down and cover this area and then comes down again and cover it up. See, the basic part of applying beard oil is you have to apply it on every part of beard and you have to massage it. So if I keep on rubbing my beard oil on only one part, like this part, if I keep rubbing on, all the beard oil will get accumulated on this part and other part will get lesser quantity, which is not good. So I've generally first apply the beard oil in every part of my beard, and then after applying, I massage it. I massage it thoroughly on every part of my skin and then massage it on my beard. I divide my beard like this and then I rub it gently. I don't care if it creates a division in my beard, but I apply it thoroughly, and then you can comb it or you can brush it nicely, but use it very gently. Don't overdo it, don't put too much of strain so it will pull out your beard. Just very gently, just so that it can distribute all the product throughout your beard. But if I'm going out, if I'm going to some offices or I'm going to places where I'll have to meet people, I don't want to put an impression of a guy who is not organized or looking shabby. I don't want a look of my beard going in different direction. Even if I want a natural look, I still want to look organized. I don't want those flyaways going everywhere. So what I do at those days, I minimize the beard oil quantity by few drops and I apply it like I told you before, and then I use my beard balm. I just take about a fingernail. That is more than enough. That is enough for my beard. And If I become generous, that is enough. Just about a fingernail. I'll put it back because I've used it already. And then I rub it thoroughly into my hand and just massage my beard. I put it on skin, and then I don't want to coat my beard with beard balm. I want to apply it thoroughly at every part of my beard. I go inside, you go inside, massage it here, cover up all your beard, and especially in the ends, I put it like this. Now I brush it again very gently so that it will distribute all the beard balm throughout my beard very gently. Now give it a little shape with my hand only. Now my beard is still in natural form, but there are no more flyaways, and even if my beard will flow like this, it will flow in one direction. It will not be like one part going in this direction and one part is going in this direction. And on the days when I have to go for a party or meeting and I have to go meet some important people, at those days I want to look like Mr. Perfect Gentleman. I dress up nicely, I wear polished shoes, and at those days I avoid using beard oil. I just go with my beard balm, as unlike other beard balms in the market, beard balms from Caredbeards are made up of not only ingredients that are concentrated on providing hold, but also with the ingredients that have all the required nutrients to keep your beard healthy and good shape. So I just use beard balm little more than my fingernail and apply it like I apply my beard oil or beard balm regularly, so it will provide a much cleaner and much greater hold to my beard. And at those days I avoid putting my beard balm into my mustache, because at those days I want my mustache to be in one shape and do not move according to their own way. And for that I use this mustache wax from Caredbeards, because I do not want, if I'm eating something, I don't want my mustache to go inside my mouth or flying away in different direction. I want to give them perfect shape. Sometimes I want a handlebar mustache, and for all those purposes I use this mustache wax from Caredbeards. The reason why I don't apply beard balm on my mustache, because if I apply beard balm on my mustache and then apply mustache wax on my mustache, then my mustache wax will lose its consistency and it will lose its hold, because already there is beard balm on my mustache. So on these days I just apply this mustache wax. It also have natural oils and butter, so you don't have to worry about the nutrients. It's all in there. And after that I brush it again thoroughly. I comb my mustache with this sweet little comb, this mustache comb. You can comb it nicely, you can give whatever shape you want. You want a handlebar, you can twirl up your mustache. I generally don't like a handlebar, so I let them go down. And that's it. You've washed your beard in a most efficient way. You've styled your beard in the most efficient way. And if you want to know more about using tools and single products, we'll be having separate videos about them, which will be more elaborated. I will cover every aspect of every product and every tool, how to use them, why to use them, the procedure, the preparations, everything. We'll be having separate videos about them. So this was the beard routine series, the basic routine which I follow. Figure out the pros and cons according to yourself, according to your beard, modify it according to your lifestyle. And that's all for this beard routine series. So if you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button, and please do subscribe to our channel. It really does help. Share it with your friends and loved ones. Until next time, goodbye.